We're going back from...
I think we have to reload our card.
Load tayo dyan. From Terminal 2. No? Terminal 2 tayo, no? Ah, hindi pala.
That's just like
Yung...
connecting building to the airport.
Yeah. Hotel Nico. Andyan yung location ng Toyota. Rental cars is in this location. So we're going back to Terminal 1. Terminal 1. So this is yung connecting bridge niya. So ulitin natin, ha. Terminal 1, if you want to rent a car here in Osaka, you go to yung building na may Hotel Nico, no? Hotel Nico Kansai Airport. So we're going Terminal 1. We're going back, no, to Terminal 1. Nandito yung Hotel Nico Kansai Airport, yung Aero Plaza. Going here, Terminal 1. So where are we going back to Terminal 1? Magpa-load tayo? Okay. So we're planning to take
You go to other
train.
cities here.
Ito yung other cities na area. Yan. So kami naman, we're going back sa center ng Osaka. It's a 45 minutes na train ride from Kansai Airport. Ang dami, no? It's holiday season. You have a lot of mga travelers now. Pagkatapos yung weather ata biglang bumagsak, no? Especially in Korea. Negative 20 degrees as of yesterday. Anong gawin to here?
You have to buy.
Welcome to Osaka. Saan tayo? Ito yung pila?
Airport Express.
Airport Express tayo?
Ay, hindi tao.
Excuse me. Excuse. Machine?
Machine lang tayo para mabilis.
This one. Ba't yung ibang loading nila dito, tao yon? Yung pila? Ah. So dito tayo, ano to? Itong local na, yung Pasmo fare natin, pwede yun? Pwede yun?
Yeah. I will know sa machine when we're there.
Okay. Pwede mo man silipin, ako balik ka lang dito.
Okay.
Dito ako. So we have yung Pasmo na card, no, for kung pwedeng mag-load here. Let us see. Ayan. Going center kami, no?